Hey, Fermentables gang! Ready to upgrade your next barbecue or picnic game? Forget boring store-bought stuff. These 3 homemade fermented hot sauces will blow your mind, and not because of the chilies. Hello, and welcome to the Fermentables. Okay, but why fermented? Isn't hot sauce just hot sauce? Oh no, my friends. Fermentation takes your peppers from just hot to holy moly, a total game changer. Get this, fermentation mellows the heat. It's going to be more of a warm hug instead of a brutal punch in your face. Plus, hello probiotics, good for your gut, good for your brain. And the best, homemade means you are the boss. You control everything. It's a win-win-win. And so easy peasy, I'll prove it to you. We'll make one sauce together, step by step. Then we'll fly through 2 more, super quick, super yummy recipes, just to show you it's same, no difference every time. And no worries, we're not making one of those melt-your-face-off sauces. Nah, we're better than that. Let's go. Our first recipe, Mango Tango. It's mild, fruity, pure sunshine in a bottle, perfect for beginners or low-heat lovers. We're using sweet mangoes, some gentle chilies, and a bit of garlic. That's it. Here we go. Step 1. Chop and stuff. Roughly chop your ingredients, peppers, fruits, whatever, and stuff them in a clean jar. No fancy knife skills needed here. Just get them in. Chop. Pile it neatly, layer it, or pure chaos. Your call, but pack it tightly. Step 2. Brine time. Cover everything with a simple 3% salt brine. That's just salt and water. 30 grams of salt for every liter of water. Use filtered water or bottled water or boiled tap water. Just make sure to let it cool down before adding to the jar. Our bacteria buddies don't like the hot tub. Stir it up until it's all dissolved, then pour it over. Step 3. Submerge and secure. Keep everything about a finger width under that brine. How? Cover them with a cabbage leaf or onion skin and gently push it all down. Keep our floaty friends deeply submerged. Step 4. My secret special bonus tip. Give your fermentable a face and a name. Welcome, Fernanda. Time to get funky. You're going to bring some real sunshine to the Fermentables family. Look at that sweet face. There you go, sweet lady. Show us your mango magic. Step 5. The patience game. Now we just let Fernanda do her thing for about a week at around 20 degrees Celsius. Store in a cool, dark place. Peek in daily to make sure everything's still under the brine. You'll see bubbles and things will get cloudy. That's our fizzy friends working hard. And finally, step 6. Blend and bottle. Strain out the solids, but don't throw away that precious brine. Blend up those goodies, add just enough brine back in, bit by bit, until it's the perfect sauce consistency. We want sauce, not chili juice. And boom, ready to rock. Bottle it up and store it in the fridge. For months if you can resist. See? Easy as fork. You now know the basic moves. While Fernanda starts her magic, are you ready to level up? Next up is a recipe with a sweet veggie kick and medium heat. A real smooth operator. Recipe number 2, carrot kick. Not too mild, not too wild. This colorful veggie crew is ready to go. Chilies, sweet bell pepper, carrot, onion, and garlic. You know the drill. Same, no difference. Chop, pack, brine, down, and later blend. One quick tip, slice the carrots thin so they ferment evenly with the rest of the gang. Now this one might get really bubbly. Don't panic. Bubbling is good. Just don't seal the lid super tight if you're not using an airlock. No pressure, please. Ready for a name? Welcome to the gang, Francesco. Time to show us what your garden crew can do. We'll let this one bubble away for about 10 to 14 days. Just check in on him daily. All right, Francesco is on its way. Feeling brave? Think you can handle real heat? Our final recipe is for true heat lovers. Prepare yourselves. Our third sauce is a hot cilantro zing. It brings the heat but with an amazing kick. We're using your favorite hot chilies, onion, garlic, and our star, fresh cilantro. Quick tip, for less heat, remove chili seeds. And gloves on when chopping these bad boys. Pepper hands are no fun. Don't touch your eyes, or anything else, or anybody else. No joke. Now I know some of you think cilantro tastes like soap. If that's you, no worries. Swap it for parsley, dill, or basil. Make it your own. Then our same process. Chop the veggies, pack them tight, brine over, submerge. Take a little weight, a small glass, or bowl, or Ziploc bag with some brine in it, a stone or a proper fermentation weight. And last but not least, let's name this spicy guy. Say hello to Fuego. All right, Fuego, hurry up. Rest of the gang's waiting. Blend you soon in 10 to 14 days. And just like that, 3 future hot sauces are ready to rumble. Look at them. Fernanda, Francesco, and Fuego. 3 sauces, 3 personalities, and only 1 easy-peasy process. Amazing! Different heat, different flavors, and everything totally up to you. Now you can pimp almost every dish. Gentle mango tango for fish tacos or eggs. Sweet carrot kick for dressings or grilled cheese. Punchy cilantro zing for stir-fries or burgers. The real secret? Fermentation. Full of flavors, mellowed heat, and probiotics. The best part? Use these as a launch pad. Swap mango for pineapple. Add smoked paprika to the veggie one. Experiment with different chilies, your kitchen, your flavors. And that's the big difference. Store-bought hot sauce? It's a quick hit of vinegar for tang and a long list of stuff to make it sit on a shelf forever. Not very exciting. And ours? Fresh peppers, fruit, spices, salt, and water. Real ingredients, real flavor, and they are alive. You get total control, no nasty additives, it's cheaper and way more fun. Once you taste that funky goodness, there's no going back. Homemade wins, hands down. Wow, what a flavor party! We made 3 awesome sauces from mild to wild and proved how easy peasy it is. If you want to tame that heat or pair it perfectly, click here to learn how to make yogurt at home, the ultimate cooling sidekick. Hit subscribe to join the Fermentables. Give a thumbs up if you're ready to spice up your life. And tell me in the comments which hot sauce you are trying first. Thanks for hanging out and getting spicy with me. Keep those jars bubbling. Catch you in the next one.